Alright, so we have successfully created our categories. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to begin to create our posts, right? When we say posts, we refer to the content, the different blog articles, right? So to do that, we're going to come to posts, then we'll basically come to add new. So basically what I'm going to be doing right now is I'll just use the example of this post we have here. So I'm just going to pick the content from here. So well, obviously you should have your content for the different blog title or stories or whatever it is you're trying to talk about. So I'm just going to be picking content from here to make it faster. So first and foremost, when you click on add new, these are the things you have. You have the title. Here you input the title. Then you also have the content area. This is where you begin to write your various content. You have the add media button, which you can use to add images into your content. And if you have used Microsoft Word or any of those, you should be familiar with all of this, right? This is your paragraph, different headings, tags, the bold, italics, you have your bullets, you have your numbered list, you have your quotes, block quotes, you have the alignments, left, center, right. You have the insert and edit link. You have the read more tag, and this gives us other options that we can actually play around with. So let's get into it. So I'm going to create my first post. I'm just going to pick the title from here, Google Meets in a video conferencing app by Google. I'll pick it up and post it here. Good. So that's the title. So the next thing I have is to put in the content here. So to add the content, I'll basically just go back and begin to copy the content one after the other. So I'll just copy this content the way they are. However, the images will not be able to go in. But let me just copy the content first. Ctrl C, copy. Then I'll paste it here. Alright, good. So I've successfully pasted that. Now, one thing you observe is there are a few things to note here. Here is a link, right? This is a link, right? That's if I go back to the content, you see that this is a link. It's linking somewhere to meet.google.com. That's where it's linking to. It's clickable, right? So how do they achieve that? It's not difficult. So I'll first remove the link, right? So to achieve that, all you did is to select the text you want to link, right? And click on this insert edit link. So it's going to ask you to paste in the URL there. So I'll just put in the URL meet.google.com. So that's basically the URL. I'll say okay. So that's basically how you add links to your site. Then another thing to notice here, we have this is a block quote, right? There's a quote here, and that's why you have this line here like a block quote. So, and that's what is already here. So it's already added, right? So, but to do that on a norm, you select the content you want to add the block quote to, then you click on this block quote, right? Just click on it once. So that's how to add the block quote. So I'm just going to go down. Okay, continue writing my content. So the next thing we have is an image here. So I'll basically bring in the image. So I already have the image on my system. So I'll just go to do that. Ensure your cursor is within your text content area. Go to add media. Then you go and upload the image you want to use for that purpose. So I'll just go to where I have that image. All right, good. I'll just bring it in here. So that's the image. So I'll insert posts. Perfect. So the image is here. So what I can just do is okay, let me edit the image. I guess I didn't do something well. I'll choose a full size, right, so I can be filled up. I'll choose center, then update. Perfect. So you see now it's now filling the entire space. So continue just that same way. You bring in your content, you use your hyperlink and all of that, and before you know it, you're good. So we have that. We also have another image here. So I'll just bring in that image quickly. Bring in that image, right? Bring in that image. All right, so we'll insert the image. Oh, sorry, I forgot again. That's fine. Center full size update. Perfect. Yeah. So that's it. You can also expand it anyway if you want to. Just expand the way you want to. So I think that's that. Let me see if there's any other thing in the content. I think there is. All right. So we just have a few things here. So sorry. Let's copy that. Just go back. All right. So just copy that and paste. All right. Perfect. So I have all of that ready to go. So that's basically the content. So we're going to see other things in the next video.